the name of your shop, sir?
Zahrat Al-Shita.
Sharat Al-Sita. So, BMW Road.
BMW Road.
BMW Road, guys. You can
Sanaya 5.
Sanaya 5. So you can just come to his location. We will give your post your number. So this is the card, guys, for the shop. So come and check here, guys, and you can get discount also. He's very friendly, giving discount to the customer. So this is the location here, guys. You can just visit here, guys. So guys, nandito tayo sa shop ng car accessories. So dito, guys, marami kang mabibili. So a lot of spare parts dito, guys. Accessories for cars. Sa manibela. Even the lights here, guys. So thank you, guys. Thank you for watching. See you next time.